That was a very old melody. I heard it first as a sea shanty called Lord Franklin, which tells the tale of the failed expedition to find a sea passage through the North Atlantic. This is a tutorial about how I play this tune. I play it in double C tuning, capoed up to D. That means the capo is on the 2nd fret. I'll leave in the description a link to the website where you can find the tabs for this. And I've divided it into 10 sections. So let's get your banjos and get right to it. First bit goes like this. Do that again. It's more real slow. Second bit goes like this. Let's play that again. Play it again real slow. The third bit starts with a bar chord. Let's play that again. Let's play that again a bit slower. The fourth bit goes like this. Let's do that again. Let's do that again real slow. And the fifth bit is a repeat of the fourth bit. Okay, let's play the first 5 parts together. Okay, let's play the first 5 parts together. The 6th bit is a repeat of the first one. Let's do it again. So, 7th part. Let's play that again. Let's play that again real slow. Eighth part is the same as the 3rd, remember, with the bar chord. Let's play it again real slow. And the 9th part. Let's play that again. Let's play it again real slow. After the 10th part, you can either play it back from the start, so you can go another round, or you can end it with a D chord. So you have this, and then you can either go back, or you can go make an ending by playing a D chord. So that is my version of Lord Franklin. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you liked the song. I'll be back with more tutorials in the near future. You can always check back on the tabs by clicking the link to my website and find them there. And I hope to see you all for the next tune.